the Frostborn Colossus. He was carved not by hands, but by seasons. Before kings were crowned and gods were feared, the world had only one law: balance must be kept. And so, from the oldest glacier, at the edge of breath and memory, the earth exhaled a single colossal being, his name, long forgotten, but among the winds and wolves, they whisper simply, the Frostborn. He was born to anchor winter itself, a silent sentinel whose veins ran not with blood but with stillness. His skin shimmered with swirling ice runes that pulsed with deep, glacial thought. Where he stepped, frost spread. Where he breathed, the wind obeyed. And yet, he was gentle. He sang to the snowfall. He watched oversleeping creatures. He kept mountains from falling, rivers from boiling, and skies from screaming too loudly. But one day man, small, trembling, fearful man, decided he wanted more sun, more sky, more fire. And so, they struck. Not with swords, not with spells, but with machines, with greed. They cracked open the mountain, drilled through the glacier, built cities where silence once ruled, and when the final sacred frost was broken, the Colossus stirred. Not in anger, in mourning. His eyes opened once more, glowing orbs of deep ice flickering like the last northern star. His hair flowed in slow motion like frozen rivers unthawing after centuries of peace. His chest rose with one long breath, one that shook every snow-covered valley. He had not risen for vengeance. He had risen because balance had been shattered. And when he walked again, the clouds wept. The ocean paused. Even the storms went still, listening for his decision. Because when the Frostborn speaks, climates change.